from 1 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday at elevations above 3,500 feet, and a winter weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday below 3,500 feet. For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected at elevations above 3,500 feet. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches are expected, with up to 8 inches at locations above 5,000 feet. Winds may gust as high as 35 miles per hour. For the winter weather advisory, snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. The cold wind chills as low as 10 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Precipitation will begin in mid-afternoon, possibly as rain, but with a quick changeover to snow expected by early evening. Snow will taper off to the Tennessee border early Saturday morning. Wind chills of -5 to -10 are possible, especially at higher elevations and ridgetops. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep a flashlight, food, water, and a warm blanket in your vehicle in case of an emergency. A winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Please report snow and ice accumulations by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800-267-8101. Leave a message with your observation and the specific location where it occurred. You can also post your report to National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg Facebook or tweet.
Nice.